What is good, my little babies? It is your boy Trillis hitting the high notes, baby, because I can. I'm coming at you today with a new video, and this video is the $1 million question that everyone wonders with long hair. To brush or not to brush? I'm going to show you 3 positives for each one, and you can be the judge at the end. So let's jump into it. So the first positive to brushing your hair is that a brush stimulates your scalp. It actually brings blood, oxygen, and other nutrients up to your scalp to then feed your hair follicles and to just get them moving, get them alive. So it actually promotes growth nonetheless. The next positive is that you will find your brush actually catching the stray hairs that you normally shed on a pillowcase or clothes or even in the bathtub. So that is amazing because it's less vacuuming and less maintenance around the house. I 100% stand by that. The final positive to brushing your hair is that it makes it look more professional, more clean. It ends up taming the beast. You know, my man will be tamed. There won't be so many kinks, there won't be so many tangles, and people can notice that. So if you're going for a clean, professional look, that will be a positive if you brush your hair. Now, woo, oh damn, I'm pretty excited right now. I'm just so excited to bring this video to you. I love you guys. You love my hair videos. Somebody loves me. Composure. 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 The next segment is the positives of not brushing your hair. The first positive, and it's the most plain as day, is that when you wake up, you will have bedhead, and you'll be rocking bedhead throughout the entire day. And I love that. I love how I just embrace my waviness of my hair if I don't brush it. And literally, it's amazing. That's why if I don't brush my hair, that's one of the reasons. The next positive of not brushing your hair is that you will use your hands more likely as a brush than an actual brush. And what the positive is of that is that when you use your hand, your fingers, it's actually more gentle and easier on the scalp than, say, brushing your hair 100 swipes in the morning, which is actually a myth. You do not want to brush your hair 100 swipes. Woo! That, woo! Woo! Unless you want to go bald, mate. So finally, the last one is that it gives you more volume. Not brushing your hair is like letting the beast run free. It's not tamed, it's nothing, it's all natural, and you know what? I think it's sexy. Brings it all together. But with that all being said, and with all these positives on not brushing your hair, it needs to be stated that if you choose this route, please, and I'm begging you, please use conditioner, because if you do not use conditioner and you do not brush your hair, you will get dreadlocks going pretty quick. And hey, if you're going for natural dreads, best to it, I had dreads way back when. I love the shit out of them. But yo, if you're not sticking with that and you're not going for that, conditioner, then you can do it, and then you be safe about it. So the $1 million question now lies to you. Whether you decide to brush or not to brush your hair, I hope that this video has guided you in one direction. There isn't a good and there isn't a bad, and there's no right and there's no wrong. It's whatever you decide. So you know what? Keep that in mind and keep that hair luscious as hell. I will see y'all next time around. Hit the subscribe, hit the buttons. You know what it is. And I will, yeah, like I said, see you around, baby. Peace out. Get the hell out of here, man. Get the hell out of here, man.